Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to talk a bit on past continuous tense. So in this video we are going to cover 5 different topics regarding past continuous tense. Key points of the past continuous tense definition, usage of past continuous tense, and 3 formulas of past continuous tense, and at the last we have a short quiz regarding past continuous tense. So let's get started. Key points. Was and were are used as a helping verbs. Every tense has its own helping verb. Like past indefinite tense helping verb is did, the same past continuous tense helping verb is was and were. Was is used with he, she, it, and singular names means was is used with these 5 subjects, and were is used with we, you, they, and plural names. First form of the verb with an ing is used as a verb. In every continuous tense we use an ing form, either that is present continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense, the same past continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future continuous tense, and future perfect continuous tense. In these all tenses we use an ing form. Past continuous tense definition. The past continuous tense is also known as past progressive tense, and it refers to a continuing action or state that was happening at some point in the past. For example, the sun was shining every day that summer. As I spoke, the children were laughing at my cleverness. Means the children laughed at some point. The children laughed at my cleverness at some point, and it just happened at some point. This action used to happen at some point. First usage of past continuous tense. It can also be used to describe something that was happening continuously in the past when another action interrupted it, like the audience was applauding until he fell off the stage. And the second example, like I was making dinner when she arrived, means 2 actions are happening. The first action, like I was making dinner, this is the first action which was happening in the past, and the second action, that she arrived, and it's the second action. Second usage, the past continuous tense can shed light on what was happening at a precise time in the past. For example, at 6 o'clock I was eating dinner. At 8 o'clock they were on the ground. Means in second usage we talk about precise time in the past. Third usage, it can also refer to a habitual action in the past. For example, she was talking constantly in class in those days. Means it was her habit that she used to talk constantly or continuously in the class. They were humiliating them in school. Fourth usage, not every verb is suited to describing a continuous action. Certain verbs can't be used in the past continuous tense. One common example is the verb to arrive. Like here, the arrive word is not used in continuous tense. For example, at noon he was arriving. It's incorrect. At noon he arrived. So it's correct. Simple formula of past continuous tense. Subject, was and were means helping verb plus first form of the verb with an ing plus object. Like they were reading books. Now they is what subject, were is helping verb, because here they is, so we have to use were, and reading is first form of the verb with an ing, books is object. The same, John was using mobile, I was teaching them, and you were learning the English language. Every sentence is according to structure of simple formula. First subject, then helping verb we have was and were, first form of the verb with an ing, and at the last we have object. Negative formula. Negative formula, we have the first subject, then was and were plus not plus first form of the verb with an ing plus object. Like they were not reading books. Now they is what subject, were is helping verb, and not is according to negative formula we have to use not, and reading is first form of the verb with ing, and at the last we have object. John was not using mobile, armed forces were not preparing themselves for the war, and she was not eating pizza. And at the last we have interrogative formula. was and were, subject plus first form of the verb with an ing and object, and at the last we have question mark. And there is interrogative, so we have to use question mark, and helping verb should be at the start, like were they reading books. Now were is what? Helping verb, and we have to use at the start. They is subject, reading is first form of the verb with ing, and then books is object, and at the last we have question mark. Was she eating pizza? Was Ellie serving in the armed forces? Were they inviting us for dinner? So here is quiz. I hope this quiz you will like and try to solve, try to do comments.